Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to fix Microsoft Word experienced an error trying to open the file. So friends, to fix this error, firstly open MS Word. Now click on File. Click on Options. Now click on Trust Center. Now click on Trust Center Settings. Now friends, in here click on Protect View. Now uncheck these three boxes. So uncheck these three boxes, then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now again click on File, Options, Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. Now click on Trusted Locations. Now select this first location. Click on Modify. Check this box. It's a box for subfolders of this location. So check this box and click on OK. Now click on this second location. Click on Modify. Check this box. Click on OK. Similarly, click on this third location, Modify, and check this box. Then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now close and reopen MS Word. And friends, still you are facing error. You are not able to open MS Word file. So again click on File, Options, Trust Center Settings, Trusted Location. Now click on Add New Location. Check this box, subfolders of this location. Now click on Browse. And friends, change the location, like select D, F or any another drive. Then click on OK. Check this box, subfolders of this location are also trusted. Then click on OK. OK. And close it and reopen MS Word. Hopefully friends, now this setting will work in your case. Please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more useful videos.